today's episode, I'm going to talk about heat. Just take a deep, deep breath. Are you pretending to be on a digital journey? Are you? Are you sitting in comfy Pullman chairs somehow, just traveling around? Usually this doesn't mean speed. I'm not talking about your old products in a new coat. It's not about that. You have to figure out what's really relevant for the digital future. Come up with really crazy cool digital products.
This is how you start to add value. And this will be the moment where your expensive IT infrastructure and your whole digital program starts to make sense.
Today I'm gonna cook you a steak, a massive steak we just bought at my favorite butcher at the heart of Zurich. It's so amazing. I just already put it into my sous vide bath, bathing 1.5 hours there on 52.5 degrees.
The question is, what's the temperature of your digital program? Hot or not?
It will be amazing sous vide, and then we will apply heat, because heat means speed for you. And not only the steak, I'm going to add this organic spinach, super fresh. I'm going to add smoked potatoes and of course smoked mushrooms. But now let's take care for the garlic. Let's crack it. Do you think you don't have enough governance? Having not enough governance is not your problem. It's not. It's not about having more complexity. It's about doing the real stuff. It's about doing relevant stuff. I've got some really hot potatoes here. Ooh. And after cooling down for a while, here it's absolutely appropriate to work with cooler potatoes. I'm gonna just make half of it and put it in this cast iron pan to be used in my Weber grill later to smoke them. We add one specific factor to it, and this is fat. And not only fat, not some fat, a very, very special fat. Ding, 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 ding. Here it is. This is Wagyu beef fat. This is so amazing. Look at this. It's like a stone now. It comes from the fridge. Take a serious amount of it and just put it over it. And the heat in my Weber grill will just melt it down. Now we are adding the garlic. Parts of it. A bit more. Okay, so, and of course, as promised, salt. Not too much. I used to over salt it. Now, this is good to go. We're doing the same thing with the mushrooms. We're gonna add again. We add Wagyu fat, mushrooms, salt. Do you think you can leverage digital transformation low and slow? Do you really think that? Let me tell you something. This won't work. I've never seen this working. No, I just added this amazing fresh pepper from the south of Switzerland. And if we want to leverage digital transformation, we need to speed up. Welcome to my balcony. Here is my baby. This is my Weber. I think this is the most used Weber in whole Switzerland. Coming back to speeding up. How to speed up in your organization. How to speed up? How does it work if you've got all this governance? Let's make some fire. By the way, how much are you willing to put into the fires of transformation? This is the question. How much? It's getting hot now. So, I can keep this here. Come on. So, this chimney is massive. It just works. How much are you willing to throw into the fires of transformation? This is the question. You have to speed up. What I'm going to do with these little buddies. Oh, they look so good. I'm gonna eat one. Oh, good. Oh, you little buddy, you're swimming now for, I think, 40 minutes and you're starting to look amazing. You will have a core temperature of 52.5 degrees, and so you will be evenly medium rare. And this is, by the way, pretty hot. And now it's time to deal with real heat, real hot stuff. Come on, my little helpers. And now I'm gonna place my little grill on top of this heat. You need more speed. Take a seat on this massively hot barbecue, and you can stay now for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever. Even 1 hour is not a problem. You're getting better and better and better. Goodbye, ladies. We're gonna let this cook for 45 minutes, and even if it takes longer, it's not a problem. They're getting better and better and better. From time to time, I'm gonna get outside and steer it a little bit, but actually you don't have to take care for it. It's somehow magic. Whenever you hear sizzling, there is heat involved. It's sizzling, it's sizzling. Let's have a look. Woo! Oh, this is a Wagyu beef fat. It's just magic. Just wait, they're getting better, better, and even better. Close it again. Wow, it's been 90 minutes. What do you think happens now? We're gonna take care for the meat. Papa! It feels so good. Look at this. We're gonna put it. Woo! Don't worry, it's not ready yet. Cut it open and take it out of the bag. And you know what? Now we've got this amazing piece of meat to 100% medium rare. And you see, it doesn't look good yet. This is almost melted. But it needs one more thing. We need to apply heat. Let's bring this beautiful steak outside. Follow me. Whoop. We take it and put it here. Fat in front, so I can see what happens to the fat. And now we'll apply heat. Woohoo! Yes. I'm talking about heat. Now I'm gonna sear this steak.
Don't try this at home. Simply don't.
Come on. Oh, sizzle! It's a little fat burn, it's not a problem. Whoop-a. It's a problem. The gloves! Den linken. Short rest. Let's see what's happening. We're good to go. We're all done. This looks so good. And it's medium rare, fully and perfectly seared. You'll see it inside. Follow me. Amazing piece of meat. Ooh, look at this. Now we're gonna slice it like this. Yippa. And you need a really, really sharp knife. This medium rare, look at the juices here. Pa-pam. I love it. We don't add any salt or pepper yet. We're gonna do it now. And we are adding this amazing pepper. And we are good to go. Let me say a few final things. I really want to encourage you to speed up, to make a radical shift, of course, radical. To go all in, to start racing instead of having a journey. Super comfy, it's a race. Stop being mediocre. Don't just be a yet another whatever. Just do it and stay tuned to the next episode of Servin Up Digital. Mode, Sven, dinner is served. Come on, let's have some bites.
Wunderbar.
Ja, wichtig ist, dass du redest die ganze Zeit.
Du, es war nicht unanstrengend.
Ja?
Ja.
Das ist Bon Appetit. Oh. Click on the link provided. Subscribe to the channel, of course. Do it. Just do it. And stay tuned for the next episode of Servin Up Digital. Bye.